Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In today's video I have a really awesome PC build. This is a budget build and I stuck with the budget of $584.74, and yeah, let's get started. Alright, so starting off this build, we are going with AMD, and what we are going with is Ryzen 3. Ryzen 3 will be a really good processor for this build, and we are sticking with the stocked cooler that it comes with. Ryzen 3 is priced at $94. Next up on the build is the Gigabyte A320M SH Micro ATX motherboard. This motherboard is priced at $50 and will be perfect for this budget build. Next up on the list is the Corsair Value Select. We are going with 8 gigabytes, just one 8 gigabyte stick, and it is clocked at 2133 megahertz, and it is also priced at $69.74. Next up on the build is the SSD. The SSD that we are going with is the ADATA XPG SX 6120 gig mSATA SSD. This is the only drive in this build, and the drive will be able to hold Windows 10, and it will have enough space for video games. This drive is also priced at $45.12. The GPU that I've selected for this build is the Zotac GeForce GTX 1050 Ti Mini. This card is priced at $181. Next up on the list is the EVGA 500 watt 80 plus certified power supply. This power supply will be plenty enough to power the whole build. This power supply is also priced at $32.99. Next up is the Roswell FBM1 Micro ATX Mini Tower. This is priced at $24.99, and this is what will be housing the build. Last but not least, Windows 10. Windows 10 at the moment is priced at $119. Right, there you guys have it, that build. It's a very awesome build. So if you guys liked it, please like this video, please comment down below, and if you don't mind, please subscribe.